Okay, so I'm out here to report that there's some crazy a snow blizzard at Mount Everest, and 1,000, my son wants me to say, make sure that I say 1,000 white people climbed up there. And so far they have, that's my son. Anyway, so far they have 350 people down safely, and it's still about a good 600 still up there braving it out, braving out the elements. It's also been some heavy rains, and 47 people have died due to the landslides and stuff like that. Oh my goodness. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. So it's pretty scary, but I hope that those survivors up there who are brave enough to do something that I can do, you could do, a lot of us black folks could do. We want to say we can fight and we can whoop ass, but my thing is, can y'all climb or try to reach the peak of Mount Everest? Would you even double dare to try? I would, and a lot of us wouldn't. But for the 600 remaining up there that have went up there and they're braving it out, God bless their souls. I hope that they can get safely down, just like the other 350 people who have made it down. And my heart goes out to, I'm just so mesmerized by my blue eyes, and that's irrelevant right now, right? But my heart goes out to the families of the victims that have already passed, the 47 people that have already passed. All right, bye.